Okay, we're going to take a look right now at two notes down on the left hand. This is a very, very important outer shell for chords. It's going to highlight four chord types. We're going to have the minor 7, the dominant 7, minor 7 flat 5, and the augmented 7 chords. And it's a very, very easy topic to take a look at and understand very quickly, okay? What you're going to have to learn here is, first of all, the notes on the piano. You have to know where all the C's are, and the D's, and the E's, and the F sharps. Remember, a sharp is the next note to the right, okay? So when you look at a C sharp, it's up here, okay? You know, C flat is the B, okay? Remember, a sharp or flat does not have to be a black note. G flat is here, okay? So let's take a look right now. We're taking C to C is what I refer to and commonly used as an octave, okay? And you're going to take this and drop this down two notes, 1, 2. See? That right there works on a C minor 7, C minor 7 flat 5, C dominant 7, or C augmented 7. Now, why this works, I'm going to play the inner parts and watch the difference. Here's the minor 7. Here's the minor 7 flat 5, C dominant 7, and C augmented 7. If you notice, all the inner parts changed, but the outer parts stayed the same. So, this is a valuable tool that all professional pianists use all the time. Okay? So let's get comfortable with these in all keys. C, then we go to F, two notes down. B flat, two notes down. E flat, two notes down. A flat, two notes down. D flat, two notes down. G flat. B, two notes down. E, A, D, and again, you'll get to the point where you'll have to go boom, boom, but right now, you know, you'll have to do that, but eventually you can just go two notes down. For D is that. For G, it will be this, and you'll know just from looking at it. What you can also see here too, when you're looking at minor 7, there's different terminologies that you'll see in different publications that will indicate a minor 7. You'll see minor 7, you'll see little m7, sometimes a slash 7, mine 7. Minor 7 flat 5, you'll see minor 7 flat 5 written out. You'll see mine 7 flat 5. You'll see little m7 flat 5, slash 7 flat 5, sometimes a circle with a line through it. Okay, circle with a line through it, 7 means a half diminished. Okay, C7, you'll see C dominant 7, C dom 7, plain C7. Okay, this is again how certain publications, you'll open up a book and say, well, what's this plus 7 mean? It's the same thing as the augmented 7. Another book might use the aug symbol to use. Okay, so different publications will choose different ways to view the same chord, different ways to call it. Okay, different symbols. And right now we're going to take a look at our tune sample right now, which is really cool. And you're going to see that in the situations where you have any major 7s, remember to use the one note down. And in this case, you're going to use the two notes down quite regularly here. And in a situation where we have this one here on this piece, C maj 6, we haven't got to that one yet. That's coming up next on the next Take 5 segment. So just play the root. Okay, whenever you don't know what to play for either the one note down or the two note down, play the root. The root meaning just the letter, anywhere on the left hand. Okay, and you'll find it really will support the tune nicely. Another important element here is to get really strong at reading notes. You want to be able to read the lines and spaces very quickly and see these notes. Another important element too is the counting. As you see, some notes are hollow and some are filled and some are round without stems, some will have stems. All that element is an important element in tunes that we're going to be highlighting more in my methodology. But right now we're really looking at a quick way to get you up and playing, showing you all the chords so you can go have some fun while you're learning all the other important elements of piano playing. Okay, so let's take a look right now at the piece number 2 tune sample. Watch this. This is great. So, starting off two notes down on C, F7, F major 7, one note down, two notes down for the F minor 7. Now you see that next note at the end of that bar there? That still stays A flat. That's called the order of sharps of flat. So whenever you have a flat there on that bar, it stays flat till you get to the bar line, okay? So you don't have to write it again. E minor 7 flat 5, two notes down. 6. Now watch, I'm going to play a little higher level and I'll use a lot of these 1/7s. As you can see, even at a higher level of playing, I'm using those 1/7s all over the place. So enjoy it. I think you'll learn to really respect in how much you're learning in just a very couple of lessons here to be able to see the power of these 1/7s in the left hand. Okay, don't underestimate it. It's actually very easy, but it's a very professional concept. Give it the time. You'll be glad you did.